Hi, welcome to Vedic Mathematics. This is Dr. Vasu. Now we are going to discuss the subtractions, how they are made easy. Sometimes we get we need to do some subtractions very easily, and when you have the numbers like this, that is the bigger numbers in the top and smaller numbers in the bottom compared to this, we can easily do this subtraction. 9 minus 6, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 3. Very easy. It's something like a cakewalk for us. But suppose we take another number like this. So here we have smaller numbers in the top and bigger numbers in the bottom. In this case, we feel a bit difficult, and we need to, because we need to borrow a number here and add, we need to make it 12, 12 minus 9. It's not that easy, right? As we have done earlier. So here I am going to tell you a very simple technique to do this sort of problems. So if you take this one, 12 minus 9, 3, and only we are left with 3 here. Borrow 1, 13, minus 7, 6. 1 is left, 1 minus 1, 0. So 63. This is the answer. So here we felt a bit difficult, a bit uneasy to do this sort of problem. We'll make this simple using complements. Complement is one which is, suppose one's complement is 9. That means if you put together, add these two, we should get 10. That means 9's complement is 1. 1's complement is 9. Similarly, 2's complement is 8. 8's complement is 2. Like this, we can have our complements for all the numbers. So 3, 7, for 4 it is 6, for 5 it is 5, for 6 say 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, and 9, 1. So we are going to use these complements and make our problem easy. Let us see how it is. Suppose we have taken a number 61,254. We need to subtract 37,786 from it. Now, if you take this problem, if you observe, all these numbers are smaller compared to this. So we'll implement these complements, where here I take the complement of 6, that is 4. Simply add these two numbers, 4 plus 4, 8, right? Now, because we have a smaller number, we need to borrow 1. That means we are left with 4 only, not 5. We are left with 4. So just remember this point, and you take 4 and take 8 complement. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 is borrowed here, so 1 is left. So 1 plus 3, 4. 0, 1 is borrowed here, 1. 0 here. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 is borrowed, so 5 is left. 5 minus 3, 2. So we have converted the subtraction into an addition, a very simple addition, that too. So that's why we can easily do this. We need not write all these complements here. Just in mind, you just have it in mind and do it. Okay? Now, let us take another example. Again, we have smaller numbers here in the top, bigger numbers in the bottom. Let us see how it is done. 1 plus 7 here. 1 plus 7 is the complement. 1 plus 7, 8. So 1 is borrowed. 3. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 is left. 1 plus 1, 2. Right? 1 is borrowed here. 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 is borrowed here. So 1 is left. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the answer. So this, within no time, you can just simply do this subtraction, right? Right. Next, if you take another one, here is a different one. That means we have a smaller number here compared to this. we have a bigger number here compared to this. Not all these numbers are smaller and not all these are bigger compared to this. So what to do? Let us implement the same principle. So here we take a complement of 8, that is 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 1 borrowed here, 7 is left. 7 minus 5, we can do it. So no need of any complement or anything. So 7 minus 5, it is 2. This is over, right? I take this part as a over. And again, why? Because here we have a smaller number compared to this. Now we start implementing the complement. So 4 is left. Start with 4 because nothing is borrowed from here. So we have 4 here. So 4 plus complement of 8, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Now 1 is borrowed here, right? Because it is smaller, we need to borrow 1. That's why we are left with the 6 only. 6 minus 6, 0. Right? So nothing is borrowed from here also, again, from here to here. Right? 6 minus 6, 0. So 5 is there. 5 minus 2. So like this, even if you have any combination of these bigger, smaller numbers, we can do this. Clear? Next. Let us see another example. A bigger number is taken, having smaller numbers in the top and right, smaller numbers in the bottom from both. Let us see how it is done. 7 minus 4, we can do it. 3. 8 minus 5, we can do it. 3. Right? Simple. Again, here we have bigger one. 6 minus 9. So we do complement. We take complement. 9 complement 1. 6 plus 1. No, don't forget about borrowing and all. Just add 6 plus 1, 7. But here only one thing you need to remember. We need to give it to 6 here, 1. So 3 is left. 3 plus 3. 7 complement 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 borrowed here, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Right? And we borrowed here. So 4 is left. 4 minus 3, 1. That's how you get the answer. Very easily. You need not write anything here. Just to keep it in mind and go on adding. And it's difficult, a bit difficult subtraction is made into a simple addition like. So that's how the problem is made simple. Now, we can use this Nikhilam, Navatascaramam, Dasatah Vedic mathematics principle in subtractions also. How? In my earlier program video, you would have seen this Nikhilam Nikhilam Sutra. Otherwise, you will see that here. We take a simple number just to understand this. So here we need to, all are zeros except the leftmost number, all are zeros. In this case, we apply this. So here, Nikhilam, this sutra is Nikhilam Navatascaramam Dasatah, means in the end, rightmost side, we put 10 here. And all other for zeros, we put 9. If you have 10 zeros, you put 10 nines. That's it. So now, you see how simple it is. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. And we must borrow 1 here. So 1 is left. 1 minus 0, 1. This is the. So, very simply, by taking this Nikhilam Sutra, we can easily do this subtraction. Okay. Now, let us take another example, a bigger one. 10,000 is taken. 4 zeros we have. Now, you implement this Nikhilam Sutra. That is, take 10 here and all 9s. Now, subtract 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 8, right? 9 minus 6. And 1 is borrowed here, so 0 is left, 0. So, 3142 is the answer. That's how this Nikhilam Sutra can be used for subtractions also. Okay. Hope you enjoy this subtractions. You can easily implement this and get your done subtractions easily. Okay. We'll meet with another video with another Vedic principle, Vedic mathematic principle in the next video. Thank you.